For us as Krones is very important the quality aspect because Krones is taking care that we will satisfy our customers with the right scope of supply within the specifications and of course with the right quality. And we know Stadler, Mr. Stadler of course, and his company as a company who have more or less the same philosophy to take a very high concentration on the quality aspect. That was more or less the main reason. The second reason was of course to close the gap between the front end and the washing line and the decontamination line, what is our scope of supply. And this was the second and also very high aspect to assign a cooperation between both companies.